A division bench of the Delhi High Court has stayed the Singapore tribunal proceedings in the Future Group Amazon case, issuing a notice to Amazon. The division bench has fixed the date as 1st February for hearing on Future Group's petition. This order clearly comes as a big relief for the Future Group, as the High Court agreed to consider the CCI order and observed that irreparable change will happen if at all tribunal proceedings are not halted, while Amazon had indicated that they will contest the CCI order in the Future Group case in NCLAT. It also submitted that the Singapore tribunal was not unmindful of Future Group's termination petition and was ready to take it up on the 7th of January. The Apex Court had upheld the emergency arbitrator's order's applicability in India, and Amazon submitted that Future Group had violated even the top court order. Also, Future Group had stated that the approval which was given by CCI was taken back last month, something which Amazon submitted was not a final taking back of approval but was rather an interim order by CCI. Amazon also submitted that the tribunal was only going to determine damages for now and the arbitration was on its last legs. However, Future Coupons submitted that Amazon claimed to have an agreement not only with the Future Group but also with other Kishore Biyani companies. Future Coupons accused Amazon of not taking the CCI order seriously and still going ahead with the arbitration in Singapore. Yesterday, a single judge bench of the Delhi High Court had dismissed Future Group's petition to stop Singapore tribunal proceedings in the dispute with Amazon, and the order has been stayed by the division bench today. Yesterday, the single judge bench had held that there was nothing to suggest that the arbitral tribunal had denied an equal opportunity to both the parties, while observing that arbitral orders cannot be called perverse merely for fixation of tight timelines and denial of adjournment requests. The court yesterday had ruled that arbitral tribunals have the discretion to decide the manner of conduct of proceedings and had said that tribunals are free to decide the order in which applications filed by parties will be considered. The court had made it clear that Arbitration Act is a law in itself and intended at swift disposal of disputes, something which was also mirrored by Amazon, which had also stated that the purpose of arbitration itself will be frustrated if parties are encouraged to move court at each and every stage. Future Group had argued that arbitration could not proceed as the basis of Amazon's claims were knocked out by the Competition Commission of India by revoking its approval for the American e-commerce giant's investment with the Future Group, accusing the arbitral tribunal of showing scant respect for Indian law by proceeding with hearing despite CCI orders. Future Group had submitted that it wanted to proceed for a deal with its bitter adversary Reliance Group only to avoid bankruptcy and also get over rupees 24,000 crores.